Click on subscribe button and bell icon to never miss an update from CBR. Hey guys, welcome back to CBR. So guys, this video is just to inform you all about an event happening in IIIT Jabalpur. So guys, IIIT Jabalpur is going to organize their Tech Fest from 2nd to 4th of March 2019. So guys, the theme of the fest is the convergence of fractals, which basically represents we can converge to change the direction of tech world towards a sustainable future. So guys, this event not only have competitive events such as robotics, BitBite, electronics club, business and management, but also have a workshop, mega shows, guest lecture and exhibitions. So irrespective of your branch or field, you can go for any of these events. Students not only from India but also outside India such as South Korea are going to participate in this event. So guys, I hope this event is really gonna be a fun. So I invite you all for this event. If you are interested and if you want to participate, then the link of the website will be given in the description box below, and if you have any query, then you can just write a comment below in the comment section. So guys, so that's all in this video, and thanks for watching CBR.